Welcome to Tasty Eat Healthy channel. In this video let's see how to stop snoring and clear blocked nostrils. 5 tips to stop snoring and clear blocked nostrils. If you can't stop snoring, or you find your nostrils constantly blocked, these tips will help you breathe freely and enjoy better quality sleep. Number 1. Check your sleeping posture. People who snore tend to sleep on their back. If you sleep on your side, it could go away. Also, if you work to tighten your gut, your snoring can stop. Number 2. Take some honey before sleep. Another thing is, just before you sleep, if you put a few drops of honey in your mouth and sleep, snoring could go away. Number 3. Use ghee to clear your blocked nostril. If it is more stubborn, you can use ghee. For about 7 to 10 days, if you take 2 drops of warm ghee and use it like a nasal drop in the night, before you go to bed, it lubricates the nasal passage, so that in the morning you can get the mucus out very easily and you will have clean nostrils. Number 4. Take a quick jog. Start jogging on a daily basis, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Even if you are just jogging on the spot with your mouth closed, it could clear up. Number 5. Jalaneti. If you have a very tough nasal situation which does not clear up with any of these things, there is a kriya which is called Jalaneti. It needs a certain amount of preparation practiced in Ayurveda,